Good day, we're gonna explore about meteorology. I am Leah Blasquez, your teacher for today. We're gonna discuss about the weather system, air masses, fronts, cyclones, storms, and typhoons. What is air masses? It is a large bodies of air with similar temperature and humidity. There are four types of air masses: continental polar, maritime tropical, continental tropical, and maritime polar. What is continental polar? Continental polar is cold and dry air. It is from inland high latitude regions. On the other hand, maritime tropical is a warm and moist air that is usually from warm oceans. While next is we have the continental tropical. Continental tropical is a hot and dry air, so this is usually from deserts. And the last one is we have the maritime polar. So maritime polar is usually cool and moist air. So this is usually from warm oceans. Next is we have the fronts. So fronts is a boundary where two air masses meet. There are four types of fronts: cold, warm, stationary, and occluded fronts. First is we have the cold fronts. It is a cold air which pushes warm air up. And second is the warm fronts. It is where the warm air slides over cold air. And the third one is we have the occluded front. It is a cold front that overtakes a warm front. The last one is we have this stationary front. Stationary front is where the air masses don't move or they are in a steady phase. Next is, what is a cyclone? A cyclone is a large, low-pressure system with strong winds and rotating air that brings cloud, rain, and storms. And next is we have the storm, where we are all familiar with. So a storm is a violent disturbance in the atmosphere, formed when warm, moist air rises quickly, cools, and condenses to produce strong winds, rain, thunder, or even lightning. And last is we have the typhoon. It is a powerful tropical cyclone that forms over warm ocean waters in the western Pacific Ocean. It develops when warm, moist air rises, creating a low pressure that throws in more air and moisture, which fuels strong winds and heavy rains. To synthesize our discussion, air masses plus fronts is equals to weather changes. Front leads to cloud, rain, and storms. And typhoons and cyclones form from warm moist air plus low pressure. Thank you for watching!